This is how you find and merge or delete duplicate photos or videos on your iPhone. First, you got to open the Photos app. That's this guy right here. If you can't find it on the home screen, just search for it. Tap on the search bar, start typing in photos, and you'll find it. Open that up. Here, you'll probably likely end up on a list of your photos and videos. We want to tap on collections at the bottom. This would be called albums on older iOS versions. And if we scroll to the very bottom of this page, we come to a section called utilities. Inside of here, there's a list of things you can do, including one called duplicates. If you tap on that, it shows all the duplicates that your iPhone has identified in the form of videos and photos. It shows how many there are, it shows which date they were taken, and it shows them right here. So you can actually open them up and look at them, decide if you want to keep both or not. And if you don't want to keep both, tap on merge. It's going to merge their data, and then one of them will be moved to the recently deleted bin, which means it's not erased. It lives in there for up to 30 days, still taking up space on your phone. So you go through and merge all the photos and videos that you want. So there's no more duplicates. And then you go over to the recently deleted under utilities. This will require Face ID to open. And there we see the two we just deleted. And it shows 29 days. That's the number of days until they're going to be permanently deleted from the phone, which is also 29 days until we get the space back that they're taking up. If we want to delete them right now, you can tap and hold on them and tap on delete and delete. You can also tap on select and select a whole bunch at the same time, and then tap on the three dots and tap on the trash can. Then that space will be available again on your phone. If it's a mistake that they're in the deleted bin, you can tap on recover. That puts them back into your photo or video feed. And if you want even more space on your phone, this is the next video for you to watch. It shows 5 different trash bins where you can find more space on your phone. So check that out next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I will see you on that one.